Hello everyone and welcome to AI Disruptive. Today we're going to talk about ChatGPT and how it's changing the game with its new plugins. If you're like me and have tried asking ChatGPT about current events, you know it can be a hit or miss. But now things are changing and ChatGPT is becoming even more powerful. In a move that significantly expands the chatbot's functionality, OpenAI has announced new third-party plugins for ChatGPT. This is a huge development in the field, and we can't wait to see what developers and users will come up with. It's like an App Store-inspired approach, but for chatbots, opening up a vast universe of possibilities. But what does this mean for us? Well, imagine being able to connect ChatGPT to your favorite apps and data, letting it summon real-time information, regurgitate documents, or even act on your behalf. Need to book a flight or order takeout? ChatGPT can handle that for you now. And let's not forget about the initial list of available ChatGPT plugins, which includes Expedia, Shopify, Zapier, and OpenTable. These plugins are just the beginning, and we can't wait to see what other developers will come up with. So buckle up as we unleash the power of ChatGPT's plugins in this video. Now let's talk about 3 ChatGPT plugins and how they will impact our workflow and values. Number 1. ChatGPT Browsing plugin. Have you ever searched the internet for a topic and after some hours of frantic search came up with little or no helpful info? Well, with this ChatGPT plugin, that experience is about to be a thing of the past. The ChatGPT Browsing plugin can crawl the internet across various websites to get answers to a query. And with this new feature, ChatGPT's knowledge is not just limited to stuff before September 2021. Now it can fetch content from the web and even cite its sources in its answers. This plugin eliminates the hallucination of ChatGPT and gives it the power of the ever-changing internet. It's like having your own personal librarian, except without the weird smell and shushing noises. So, how does this work? When you type in a query, the ChatGPT browser plugin crawls the internet and searches for content matching your query. The ChatGPT then proceeds to read each of these sources before producing a synthesized answer. Obviously, this changes a lot when it comes to web browsing. With this plugin, ChatGPT tremendously reduces the time spent searching the internet. So with just one query, you have all the information from the internet about a topic without having to search the internet yourself. Another cool aspect of the browsing plugin is that it includes the citation for each answer it produces, so you can easily verify the information you get and save time while doing so. Number 2. ChatGPT Code Interpreter plugin. Are you a programmer? If yes, are you tired of getting stuck on code errors? Or perhaps you're a beginner struggling to wrap your head around complex code snippets? Well, fear not, because the Code Interpreter plugin is here to save the day. This nifty plugin is a godsend for programmers of all skill levels, providing support for multiple programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, and Java. No matter your coding background, the Code Interpreter plugin has got you covered. One of the most exciting features of the plugin is its ability to break down complex code snippets into simpler terms. This is perfect for beginners who are just starting out in the world of programming. With the Code Interpreter plugin, you can now understand code that would have previously seemed like hieroglyphics. But that's not all. The plugin also has a fantastic debugging feature, identifying errors in your code and offering suggestions for fixing them. As any programmer knows, debugging can be a tedious and time-consuming task. But with the Code Interpreter plugin, you can save yourself a great deal of time and effort. So it's kind of like having a personal junior programmer to look over things for you. In addition to debugging, the plugin provides guidance on how to optimize your code for better performance and readability. This is particularly useful for experienced developers looking to improve their code quality and maintainability. If you're working on a team project, the Code Interpreter plugin has got you covered as well. Its real-time collaboration feature allows multiple users to work on the same code simultaneously, enhancing productivity and streamlining the development process. Overall, the Code Interpreter plugin is a powerful and versatile tool that can revolutionize the way we work with code. Its features cater to both beginners and experienced developers, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to learn or improve their programming skills. With its ability to provide code explanations, debugging assistance, and optimization suggestions, the plugin is like having your very own personal coding assistant. Number 3. ChatGPT Retrieval plugin. This plugin is a pretty nifty tool that allows ChatGPT to retrieve information from various sources, including internal documents hosted by enterprises, files, notes, and emails. And the best part? You can ask questions or express your needs in natural language, just like you would to a real person. So, how does it work? The plugin uses OpenAI's text embedding ADA002 embeddings model to generate embeddings of document chunks and then stores and queries the embedding into a vector database. The plugin also has a simple API that exposes its endpoints for upserting, querying, and deleting documents. You can refine your search results using metadata filters by source, date, author, and more. The plugin can also continuously process and store documents from various data sources, using incoming webhooks to upsert and delete endpoints. So, how does this impact our workflow and values? One of the major benefits of this plugin for enterprises is that it offers a streamlined way for employees to retrieve information from internal documents without searching multiple sources. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the information retrieved is accurate and up to date. Developers can also use this plugin to host their own knowledge bases, making retrieving data from their own sources easier. All in all, the ChatGPT Retrieval plugin is a fantastic tool that can revolutionize the way we retrieve information. Its natural language processing capabilities make it easy and efficient to use, while its support for multiple sources and metadata filters ensures that we can find the information we need quickly and accurately. In the end, these plugins will supercharge our workflow and greatly improve the way we work. From the browser plugin that reduces the time spent browsing to the retrieval and interpreter plugins that serve as the perfect coding assistant. With these plugins, ChatGPT is revolutionizing how we work by introducing two elements: speed and efficiency. That's the most we can take for today's video. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.